Best Temu coupon codes for existing customers. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. At the very top you will find this search box. Over there type in existingcoupons.com and search for it. With that you will land to this kind of website. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find tons of Temu's coupons and deals. You can just scroll down and go through this. You can get up to $300 off, likewise 50% off, and many more exciting deals. All you have to do is click on this option of unlock coupon code. Click on unlock code. After you unlock the code, open your Temu app and head towards the order confirmation page. From this page, you can easily apply the coupon code. Click on this option, apply coupon code. Now I can paste that coupon code over here. Once you type in the coupon code, click on apply, and with that it will be applied to your purchase. This way you can get best Temu coupon codes for existing users. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.